Hi there, I'm back with another video. This video takes you to one of the most beautiful and peaceful places I've ever visited. Kayaking on a crystal clear lake in Florida. The water here is so clear that you can see every detail beneath the surface. And it feels like time just slows down. This was actually my very first time kayaking, and it felt so special. My husband and I love trying new things, and this place was perfect for beginners. At this place, they provide a guide who teaches you everything you need to know before the trip, so you feel completely at ease. The lake is calm and safe, and you can even enjoy a nice swim. Along the way, you'll get to hear fascinating stories about the nature and might even spot some wild animals without any fear. I'm so glad I have these recordings to look back on. They let me relive the happiness and remember those moments. Watching these videos reminds me of how I used to be such a packing kind of girl, planning every outfit for each day and detail weeks before a trip. But things are so different now. On this kayaking day, I hadn't packed properly and ended up wearing my husband's shirt with a pair of shorts. And you know what? It was so freeing. A trip should be a trip. Why take on extra stress for something that's meant to be enjoyed, right? We walked to the very beginning of the lake where the spring water appears. The crystal clear water was so inviting, and I still remember the small joy of having a warm bath in this beautiful place. It made me think of my home in Finland, where it's freezing and snowing at this time of the year. Experiencing such a lovely weather here felt so special, and I'm truly grateful for this moment. I have few more beautiful places in Orlando, Florida to share with you. So stay tuned, take care, and see you soon with another video.